What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reverting my hair from straight to curly, but before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Let's go. Alright y'all, so I'm getting ready to revert my hair back, and I wanted to come on and show y'all what my hair is looking like before. I've had these braids in for a few days now. It's actually been 2 weeks since I straightened my hair. I also trimmed my ends and gave myself a little dusting. I feel like I could go another week with this straight hair, but my scalp would fight me. So what we're gonna do today is just revert my hair back using Ayurvedic ingredients. So first I'm going to pre-poo, then I'm going to shampoo and also use a new deep conditioner. But yeah, first let's get into this pre-poo. Let me show you guys how I made it. Alright y'all, so for this pre-poo, I'm going to be starting off with melanin hair care, then adding some of this Ayurvedic superfood from Botanicals, and lastly, I'm going to add a good amount of my Ayurvedic clove oil. I really didn't measure it out, I just kind of eyeballed everything, but I'm using a good amount of the leave-in conditioner and about a tablespoon of the Ayurvedic superfood and about a tablespoon or two of my clove oil. I did go ahead and add a little bit more of the leave-in in oil because I felt like it wasn't enough. I definitely want to revisit this pre-poo because I love the ingredients in here and the way that they all combine together. And if you're looking to use up your stash and not sure how to create a pre-poo, try something like this where you have a leave-in conditioner that you don't want to use, Ayurvedic oil around, and just mix them all together. So after mixing all of my ingredients, this is what the pre-poo mixture looks like. And now I'm just going to show you guys how I apply it. Alright y'all, so you guys just saw how I made this pre-poo. I'm just gonna go ahead and section off my hair and get started. But this braid out though, this braid out. Do I want to wash my hair? Is this braid out given, y'all? Okay. So I'm taking a generous amount of the pre-poo. I'm not going to wet my hair. I kind of want to see if it helps revert by itself without water. Oh my gosh. Is that you? Is that you, Kurl? Oh, is that you? Please be you. So I'm just gonna let this piece sit for a bit and then I'm gonna move on to the next section. So this is the back of my hair. My curls are coming back. Yes, I was nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I was a little nervous at first, but y'all, look at this. Look at this, y'all. This is just from using the pre-poo. Wow. Now I'm gonna move on to this section and then I'll come back and check in with y'all when I'm all done. I'm all done applying the Pre-Poo all over, and look at the curls. They are coming back slowly but surely. I ended up using the whole Pre-Poo. I didn't think I was gonna use all of it, but my hair was dry and needed that. So yeah, now I'm just gonna let this sit on my hair for a few minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out and shampoo. I'm not gonna show you how I shampoo my hair because you've seen me use this product before. I'm gonna use the Ayurvedic butter shampoo from Botanicals. I'll link some other videos where I've used this product before, but yeah, after I leave this on for 20 minutes, I'm just going to rinse it out and then shampoo. And then after I shampoo, I'm going to use a new deep conditioner. If you check out my community tab, you'll see that I posted a little teaser about this deep conditioner. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit more later on in the video, but I want y'all to comment down below, where do you think this deep conditioner is from? Look at the texture, look at the consistency of it. Let me know where you think I got this brand new deep conditioner from. I'm gonna let the Pre-Poo sit in my hair for a few minutes, then rinse it out and shampoo with my Botanicals butter shampoo. And then when I come back, I'm going to show y'all how I apply this new deep conditioner. All right, y'all, I just got done shampooing my hair using the Ayurvedic butter shampoo from Botanicals, and this is what my hair is looking like so far. I am really excited to see that my curls are back. So far, they're looking really juicy. So now I'm going to use my new deep conditioner. Let me know down below where you think I got this product from. I'll tell you a little bit about what's in here. There's ambunu, slippery elm, kokum butter, lots of yummy Ayurvedic things. Y'all, this deep conditioner feels so good. Wow. So far, I am loving this deep conditioner. The slip, it has such good slip. And look at my curls. Look at my curls, y'all. They're looking so good right now. Ooh. I can't wait to tell you more about this deep conditioner. All right, y'all, so I did the back of this section. Now moving on to the front. I'm taking a generous amount of this deep conditioner. Look at the texture. Look at how soft. Oh my gosh. Ooh. All right, so I'm just applying a generous amount of the product and working it through. Y'all, it feels so good to wash my hair. Oh my gosh, it's been 2 weeks since I washed my hair. So y'all know my scalp was dry, my strands were dry. So the fact that I'm washing my hair right now and deep conditioning and using all of my herbs and powders, I am happy. I was looking forward to this wash day. So this section is all done. The deep conditioner is sitting in my hair. Now I'm going to move on to this section. And then when I come back, I'm going to chat a little bit more about something else that I'm doing with my deep conditioning. So something new that I'm going to be using in my deep conditioning session is this deep condition heat cap. So this company was really nice enough to send me this heat cap, and I can't wait to show y'all how I used it. This is for people who are looking to deep condition with heat but don't want to sit under a hooded dryer or steamer. This deep conditioning heat hat requires no cords or no fuss. It's for healthy hair and hydrated hair. So for the directions, it says to place it in the microwave and flip it inside out. It's filled with flax seeds that help to keep the cap warm, and you want to heat it up for about 45-second intervals until it gets to your desired heat temperature. After applying your deep conditioner, go ahead and add a plastic cap on top just to keep your hair protected and to keep the hot head clean, and deep condition from 30 minutes to an hour. Be sure to check out the description below for a special coupon code if you're interested in getting your hands on this hot head. All right, Alright y'all, so it's been an hour since I let the deep conditioner sit in my hair using my new heat cap. I really like having this heating cap because it makes it easier for you to deep condition on the go. If you have low porosity hair like me, you know that it's important to get some heat into your deep conditioning. So if you don't want to sit under the dryer or use the steamer, something like this is really handy. And now that I have it with me, I'm going to be using it when I deep condition. But yeah, it's been an hour since I had the deep conditioner sitting on my hair, and now I'm about to rinse it out. Alright y'all, so I just rinsed out the deep conditioner and these are the final results. Y'all, I wish you guys could touch my hair right now. My hair feels so soft. I don't know if it's because of the heating cap and all of the extra heat that's helping the deep conditioner penetrate in my hair. There is a little bit of protein in the deep conditioner that I use. Maybe my hair has been replenished by the protein, so it feels extra good, but whatever it is, my hair feels really, really nice right now. It doesn't even look like I just straightened it 2 weeks ago. Like, I really enjoyed this wash day. So let me talk to y'all a little bit about my thoughts on the heating cap. I have used a similar heating cap in the past, but that was years ago, and I forgot how much I really like them. So something I want to say about it is make sure that you're adding enough product to your hair before applying the heating cap so that all of your strands are being nourished. Also, something I noticed is that it's not uncomfortable, but you know that there's something on your head. It's not super lightweight and it's not heavy as well. It's just, you can tell that something's on your head. But in terms of what I think about it for my hair, I feel like if I use this consistently enough, my hair will stay soft. It will stay the way it's feeling right now. I really think that the extra heat that is penetrating your strands really makes a difference with how well the product absorbs into your hair, especially if you're low porosity like me. I think having something like this will be really beneficial in your hair routine. And so yeah, for me using it again, I really enjoyed it. Now I want to chat about the deep conditioner that I use. So this is how much I have left of the product, and y'all, I really like this. You guys, it had a lot of great slip as y'all saw earlier. The ingredients in here, it has ambunu, slippery elm, kokum butter, and other Ayurvedic goodies. Something else that I liked about this product is the consistency of it. You can see the bits and herbs in there, so you know that there's natural ingredients. So yeah, all in all, I really enjoyed this deep conditioner. I still have a good amount of it left and I used a lot of product. This is what my hair is looking like just after rinsing it out. I haven't even t-shirt dried or anything, but I think my hair looks really good. So if you've made it this far, you're probably wondering which deep conditioner I use. And the big reveal is that this is a deep conditioner that I made. Yes, y'all, I still want to tweak some things to make it better, but for now, I really do like it. I came up with the different ingredients, and yeah, this also has a little bit of protein just to give your hair some strength. Not too much, it's enough to fill in those gaps. Let me know if you'd like to see how I made this deep conditioner, what ingredients did I use, and all of my tools. I made this at home by myself, so yeah, let me know down below if you'd like to see the video on how I made my deep conditioner. There's also clove oil in here. If you watched my previous video where I showed y'all how to make the Ayurvedic clove oil, I mentioned that I used it in my wash day somehow. So this is the way that I used my clove oil. It's infused with the other ingredients that are in this deep conditioner. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that video and I will get it all together. But yeah, that's it for today's video, y'all. Let me know what you think of my straight to curly transformation. Check out my curly to straight video if you haven't seen it already, just to see how I blow dried and flat ironed my hair. But yeah, that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah.